Hello everyone, welcome back to Studio 64. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you 5 creative ways to display your minifigures. By the way guys, if you're new around here then make sure to subscribe. We have loads of content like this on the channel, and let's get into the video. Okay, so at number 1, one of the smallest but also one of the coolest ways to display your minifigures is these small bases. So this was kind of inspired by a lot of RPGs that use miniatures that have bases on them, and you kind of put the terrain for the minifigure on that base. So as you can see, Captain Rex is on Umbara, this one's from Mimban, so I've done the mods, and this guy is just from a random grassy planet. So I think this is a really neat way to display your minifigures. It definitely looks really cool, and when you have loads of them lined up, especially if you have like a squad or something. And yeah, I think this is just a really awesome way to display your minifigures. Next up is a lot bigger for just one minifigure, but it does look really awesome. I know it is very expensive for displaying a large amount of minifigures, but for just a couple, this just looks so cool. So yeah, that's an awesome way to display one minifigure, but you probably don't want to do it for your whole collection. So now a more budget-friendly way to display your minifigures. So I've got these Fire First Troopers on a homemade mop. It's just the collectible minifigure series bases, just stacked up on some black bricks. And the way I've built this, you can add a little bit of terrain in the back. I put some blue because it matched with the 501st Troopers, and a much more budget-friendly way to display your minifigures. So this is another really cool way to display your minifigures. That is to put them in a scene. So this is Jabba's Palace, the Lego set, but as you can see, I've added way more minifigures than comes in the set. I've still got a couple of the ones that actually are included, but a lot of these are from totally different sets. Like this guy didn't even come out until this year. So although this doesn't work for everyone, I think this is a really awesome way. Like if you can do it, I would definitely recommend it because it just looks so cool with all the minifigures kind of in the scene rather than just lined up or something. And last but not least, make a battle scene. So this is just using the 2020 8080, but I've just made a little scene here and it took me like literally 2 minutes. Just got a snowtrooper being stabbed and Han Solo there just trying to hide from those snowtroopers. But I think this is also a really nice way to display them. It's not the perfect way because it takes up a lot of space, but it can be cool just maybe if you've got a spare section in your display case, just to have a Lego set or two with some minifigures, maybe even from the sets like I've done here, just fighting it out for the win. Anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Make sure to smash that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.